Advocate Rodriguez had filed an RTI application asking for the details of the two-day training session of the MLAs which was held at Taj Vivanta. He also asked about the expenditure incurred and the bills submitted. Then then my PIO, Shri Mohan Gaonkar, had given a reply, and we have said that it is exempt under section 81C of the RTI Act, read with the rule of 37 clause 16. So I have followed all the constitutional provisions as well as the rules of procedure of the Goa Legislative Assembly. Then later on, Advocate Rodriguez came in first appeal before me, since I am the first appellate authority. And there today I passed an order dismissing his appeal. And I have given a copy of the order so that you can see the findings, what I have done in this order. And his appeal has been dismissed. I have followed all the constitutional provisions as well as the Goa Legislative Assembly rules.
As per Arvind Rodriguez, he told that 2012 the assembly has given the details of
त्यांना कितें जालें आतां there is a breach of privilege. That is why I have followed the constitution and I have taken this decision.